Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can personalize HTML report title. So let's see the example. Currently I am on version nRoBo version 2024.24.9. So let's run the test. For example, I just want to run single test. So using hyphen key switch and providing single test method name. So test started running and browser instance spun up and test completed. Let's see the report. Here we can see that this is the default report title, test automation report. Let's close report and then so there are two other ways by which we can set a custom report title in HTML report. So this is the first way using the app switch. So we are using hyphen app and then app name, and let's run the test. So test started running, browser instance spun up and test completed. Let's open the report, and here we can see we have customized the report title, and while providing app switch, so nRoBo will add app name and the default report name test automation report concat together as a report title. Here we can see the result. Let's close the report and run another way, that is hyphen title switch, and then whatever title you want to give to your HTML report. For example, here we have supplied next gen media test summary. Let's run it. And so what is the difference between app switch and title switch? So in app switch nRoBo, what it does, it includes app name plus test automation report and concat those two and set the HTML report title. But in title, whatever we are supplying, nRoBo is not doing any concatenation or reduction. It shows as it is, whatever has been given and supplied in hyphen title switch. This way we can personalize HTML reports. That's it. Thank you.